called Melancholia 1 by a German artist. And in this you can see a rather plump melancholy angel with various mathematical devices. She's holding a pair of compasses in her hand. There's this complex geometrical object here. There's a sphere down here, and then various tools and objects. And also we can see a wonderful comet and a rainbow. Time is passing, and up in the top right-hand corner we have a magic square. And if we zoom in on this, it's written in sort of slightly old-fashioned symbols, but somewhere. Okay, so this is written out in modern versions of the numerals, the magic square that appears in Dürer's painting of Melancholia 1. And if you look at this, you'll see that all of the rows, so this row, if you add those numbers up, 16 plus 3 plus 2 plus 13 adds up to 34. And then if we look down this column here, 3 plus 10 plus 6 plus 15, that adds up to 34. And then if we look along the diagonal, if I remember correctly, that's 26. And then that's also 34. And this diagonal is also 34. And we've got a 4x4 square here, notice, and we've used the first 16 numbers to fill that square. And that's your typical magic square. Now, this one really fascinates me. I've got it hanging up at home, and I was looking at it one day, only a couple of weeks ago, in fact, and I discovered something that I've never seen before, and I've looked around on Wikipedia and not seen any reference to it. But if you add all the numbers in Melancholia, so if you add all the numbers of the magic square, and we've seen that each of the 4 columns has 34, so if we take 4 times 34, we get 136. And then if we look for one more number in Melancholia, it's called Melancholia 1. And if I add 1 to 136, I get 137. Oh, and this is approximately equal to 1 upon alpha, my friend, the fine structure constant, which tells us the ratio of the strength of the electrical force to the quantum.